I'm Leangela Aiken, and I'm a standardized patient at Burrell College of Osteopathic Medicine. The SV program is an opportunity for people in the community to engage with student doctors at the College of Medicine to help them get experience, confidence, and just get better at becoming doctors.
A standardized patient is an individual trained to portray specific cases consistently for the purpose of medical education and assessment. The idea for the program is our students can get a lot more of experience interacting with real people. Nothing can train you better than having someone in front of you, speaking with you and answering your questions.
The program is a great way at helping us get to better know our community members that we one day may be serving.
This was just a great opportunity for me to give back and just to share with these students what I've learned in these few years about how important the work that they're doing is and how important this program is. It's just an amazing program.